Learn English to Gujarati travel words. Travel to.
suitcase,
With.
pravas,
Welcome to your travel adventure. Hey, you are about to learn useful Gujarati travel words without falling asleep on your suitcase. We will keep it practical, funny, and easy to repeat aloud. Imagine this. You are ready for.
pravas,
Which means travel. You finally get some.
raja,
Vacation, and you book a.
hotel,
At the hotel, you go to the.
swagat kaksha,
The reception. Then someone asks for your.
olakhpatra,
Your ID card. You also check your.
pass,
Your pass, your.
saman,
Your luggage, and your.
suitcase.
Your suitcase. Congratulations, you already survived the whole trip in vocabulary form. The story of the nervous traveler. Listen closely and picture the scene. The more ridiculous it is, the better your memory will be. You wake up at dawn and whisper, today is.
pravas,
You smile because work is over and.
raja,
Has begun. You drag your.
suitcase,
To the door, but it is so full it may contain 3 shirts, 5 snacks, and 1 emotional support mango. Your neighbor asks, why is your
saman,
so heavy? You answer, because I pack for 1 weekend like I am moving to another planet. You arrive at the
hotel,
and march proudly to the
swagat kaksha,
The clerk smiles and says, welcome. May I see your.
olakhpatra,
You freeze. You check 1 pocket, 2 pockets, and a pocket that should not even be a pocket. Finally, there it is. Your.
olakhpatra,
The clerk nods. Then you proudly show your.
pass,
2, just in case. The clerk says, very good. You may go up. And your suitcase somehow still looks suspicious, like it knows secrets. Word by word, nice and clear. Now let us slow it down and make each word easy to hear, repeat, and remember. Say each Gujarati word after me. Travel is.
pravas,
Think of roads, trains, and adventure. Vacation is.
raja,
Think of rest, freedom, and no alarm clock. Hotel is.
hotel,
Easy one. It sounds familiar. Reception is.
swagat kaksha,
This is the front desk area. ID card is.
olakhpatra,
This proves who you are. Pass is.
pass,
It can mean pass in the sense of getting through or being allowed. Luggage is.
saman,
All your travel stuff. Suitcase is.
suitcase.
The rolling box that suddenly weighs as much as a baby elephant. Mini dialogue at the hotel. Let us practice with a short dialogue you can almost use in real life. You be the traveler. Clerk. Welcome to the.
hotel,
Please go to the.
swagat kaksha,
You. Hello. I am here for 1 night during my.
raja,
Clerk. Of course. May I see your.
olakhpatra,
You. Yes, here is my.
olakhpatra,
Clerk. Thank you. Do you have a parking?
pass,
You. Yes, and my.
saman,
Is outside. Clerk. No problem. Bring your.
suitcase,
And enjoy your.
pravas,
You. Thank you. If my suitcase starts screaming, please ignore it. It is tired. Memory tricks that actually stick. Here come some silly memory hooks. Silly is good. Silly stays in the brain. 4.
pravas,
Imagine a travel pass and think, travel begins with movement. 4.
raja,
Imagine a calendar jumping and shouting, vacation at last. 4.
hotel,
Just picture a glowing hotel sign. Nice and simple. 4.
swagat kaksha,
Imagine ringing a bell at the front desk and someone saying, welcome. 4.
olakhpatra,
Imagine a guard who lets you in only if you show your card. 4.
pass,
Think of passing a test or being allowed to go through a gate. 4.
saman,
Picture a mountain of luggage taller than you. 4.
suitcase,
Imagine a suitcase so overpacked that even the zipper asks for help. Quick drill time. Now you answer fast. No pressure. Okay, a little pressure. The fun kind. How do you say travel in Gujarati?
प्रवास.
How do you say vacation?
रजा.
How do you say hotel?
होटेल.
How do you say reception?
स्वागत कक्ष.
How do you say ID card?
ओळखपत्र.
How do you say pass?
पास.
How do you say luggage?
सामान.
How do you say suitcase?
सूटकेस.
Build useful sentences. You do not just want words. You want words that work. Let us put them into easy travel sentences. I love.
प्रवास.
We are on.
रजा.
The
होटेल.
is near the station. Please go to the.
स्वागत कक्ष.
Here is my.
ओळखपत्र.
I have a.
पास.
My
सामान.
is heavy. My
सूटकेस.
is blue. At the.
होटेल.
I went to the.
स्वागत कक्ष.
During my.
रजा.
I took only one.
सूटकेस.
A lie, of course, but still a sentence. Tiny quiz, big confidence. Last challenge. You are ready. Your brain now has a boarding pass. Which word means luggage?
सामान.
Which word means suitcase?
सूटकेस.
Which word means reception?
स्वागत कक्ष.
Which word means ID card?
ओळखपत्र.
Which word means vacation?
रजा.
Which word means travel?
प्रवास.
Which word means hotel?
होटेल.
Which word means pass?
पास.
Friendly wrap up. You did it. No lost passport, no missing suitcase, and no language panic. Today you practiced 8 useful English to Gujarati travel words.
प्रवास. रजा. होटेल. स्वागत कक्ष. ओळखपत्र. पास. सामान.
And
सूटकेस.
thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing out loud, repeat the words tomorrow, and take your Gujarati with you on your next adventure.